Okay, I was just thinking before we move on to page 232, another way we might look at rectangle A would be, we know that this side of the rectangle and this side of the rectangle make up half of the rectangle. So if we look at what is half of 72, that would equal 36. So this then must be, well, 36 minus 30 would give us 6 feet. So kind of two ways to look at it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at page 232. 232 has 5 questions on it. Number 1 is tell whether each of the following numbers is prime or composite. Remember that a prime number simply has 2 factors, the number 1 and itself. And a composite number has more than those 2 factors. So for 26, I know that I can split 26 in half and make 13. So our numbers for that one would be, our factors for that one would be 1, 2, 13, and 26. So you want to take a look at each of these, B, C, and D, and figure out whether it simply has the 2 factors or the 1 factor pair, or whether it has more than that. Number 2, write all the factor pairs for each of the following numbers. Well, for 34, again, I'm thinking, I know I can split 34 in half. As a matter of fact, I can do that with all even numbers, can't I? So our factor pairs for A would be, let's make sure I can write here. Here we go. 1, 2, half of 34 is 17, and then we have our 34. All right. Number 3, Mandy was making a list of the multiples of 14. Which of the following lists is correct? Well, multiples, it's kind of like we're counting by 14, right? So 14 plus 14 is 28. Is 28 plus 14 41? No, I don't think so. I think it's 42. So I don't think that list would be correct. You go ahead and take a look at the other lists and see if you can find the correct list. The area of a large rectangle for number 4, rectangular rug, is 54 square feet. List all the possible pairs of dimensions for the rug. I think what they're looking for are simply the factors of that rug, or the factors of the square footage of the rug. And then number 5, which of the following lists contains a number that is not a multiple of 7? So you're going to look through and try to find the list that contains a number that is not a multiple of 7. So that's what you'll work on today. It's pages 230, 231, and 232. Also, when you're done, page 229 in your student book has directions for the game Factors and Multiples. That's Workplace 6A. So go ahead and get 230, 231, and 232 done. Share that with your teacher and go ahead and play Factors and Multiples. And I wish you luck in winning against mom, dad, brother, sister. Have fun with it. And I hope you enjoy the day, and we'll see you again with another math lesson.